हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग नोट्स चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट सॉइल मैकेनिक्स का पार्ट 7 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा सॉइल मैकेनिक्स का कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। सीपेज, very important chapter, seepage. The pressure exerted by water on the soil through which it percolates is known as seepage pressure. It is this seepage pressure that is responsible for the phenomenon known as quicksand and is of vital importance in the stability analysis of earth structures subjected to the action of seepage. The loss of heat or dissipation of the hydraulic head per unit distance of flow through the soil is called the hydraulic gradient. The seepage pressure always acts in the direction of flow. The seepage pressure always acts in the direction of flow. The vertical effective pressure may be decreased or increased due to the seepage pressure depending upon the direction of flow. If the flow occurs in the downwards direction, the seepage pressure also acts in the downward direction and the effective pressure is increased. When the flow takes place in an upward direction, the seepage pressure also acts in the upward direction and the effective pressure is decreased. If the seepage pressure becomes equal to the submerged weight of the soil, the effective pressure is reduced to zero. In such a case, a cohesionless soil loses all its shear strength and the soil particles have a tendency to move up in the direction of flow. This phenomenon of lifting soil particles is called quick condition or quicksand. The hydraulic gradient at which quick condition occurs is called critical hydraulic gradient, IC. IC equal to G minus 1 upon 1 plus E. यहाँ पे G मतलब स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी ऑफ सोयल, E मतलब वॉइड रेशियो, मैं पहले ही बता चुका। द क्रिटिकल हाइड्रोलिक ग्रेडियंट फॉर ऑल सोयल्स इज नॉर्मली इक्वल टू 1. The critical hydraulic gradient increases with the increase in specific gravity of the soil and the decrease in void ratio. उसके बाद देखिए फ्लो लाइन्स एंड इक्विपोटेंशियल लाइन्स. The flow net in the seepage of water through a soil medium is a network of flow lines and equipotential lines. The flow net is used to determine the seepage of flow hydrostatic pressure, seepage pressure and exit gradient. A flow line or stream line in a seepage through a soil medium is defined as the path of particles of water through a saturated soil mass. The equipotential line in a seepage through a soil mass is defined as the line connecting the points of equal head of water. The direction of seepage is always perpendicular to the equipotential lines. The flow lines and equipotential lines are intersecting lines at 90 degree to each other. यहाँ पे देखिए the portion between any two successive flow lines is known as flow channel. The portion enclosed between two successive equipotential lines and successive flow lines is known as field. The discharge Q passing through a flow net for isotropic soils is given by Q equal to KH into NF upon ND. यहाँ पे K constant, H total hydraulic head causing flow, NF number of flow channel, ND number of potential drops. So guys, it is much for today. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।